How to delete your Facebook account permanently. What's up everyone? Today we're going to see a step-by-step guide on how to easily delete your Facebook account permanently. But before we begin, I want you to head down below to smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell icon so you get updated about our latest videos. Let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is head over to your Facebook and make sure the account that you want to delete is logged in. And once you do that, head over to your menu section at the top right corner. And from here, you just want to tap on this gear icon. And if you don't see this, you can scroll down and tap on settings and privacy. And from here, head over to your settings. Now just tap on account center because all of your accounts control are inside here. And if you tap on profiles, you will see all of the accounts that are connected on your account center. Now under your account setting, you see personal details. Just tap on it. And from here, you can see account ownership and control. So just tap on it and you'll see an option for deactivation or deletion. So you just have to choose the account that you want to deactivate or delete. Right now, I'm going to do my Facebook. And here you see two options. If you just want to take a temporary break from Facebook, you have this option called deactivate, which will allow you to deactivate temporarily. And if you want to delete it permanently, you choose the second option. Right now I'm going to delete it permanently, so I'm going to choose my second option. Deleting your Facebook account will also delete the page that are associated with your account, so just tap on continue and you can choose your reason for your deletion. I'm going to choose the first one and tap on continue. And once you do this, if you scroll down, you can continue. And once you enter your password for verification purpose and tap on continue, your account should be permanently deleted. I'm not going to do that right now, but this is the end line where you just enter your password and your account will be deleted permanently. If you found the video helpful in any way, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you guys on the next video.